Today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 favorite products from Rihanna's Fenty Beauty brand, and showing you how I incorporate them into my personal makeup routine. For this video, I'm starting off with my typical everyday face of makeup. I tend to wear only a light foundation or a tinted sunscreen like I am today. And as much as I love playing around with makeup, I found myself in this comfortable routine for years, which is where Fenty Beauty comes in. At first, I thought the brand wouldn't be a good fit for me because I don't normally like full coverage anything and rarely experiment with bold cheek colors or eyeshadows. But I love the creative genius that is Rihanna so much that I've been obsessively following along with her launches, swatching samples in Sephora, and then finally just adding it all to my cart and placing an order. First up, I had to try out the famous Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I consider my skin to have neutral to warm undertones, so I picked up shade 180, a warm color, and got a free sample of shade 150, a lighter neutral color. The warmer tones have been making me look a little bit more radiant this summer. If you're stuck trying to decide between shades, the brand recommends picking the lighter option as the pigment gets deeper when it dries. Overall, I think Pro Filt'r provides a great base. It's a major upgrade from the light tints I usually wear, but it doesn't feel too heavy. It is pretty drying though, so I'd only recommend it if you have oily skin or in sweaty weather like we're currently having in New York City. Of course, you can't talk about Fenty Beauty without diving into her dazzling, blinding, colorful highlighters. My first foray into Rihanna's highlighter range was through the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo, which comes in the shades 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. When I ordered this one, I thought it would be a fun way to test out bright color, and if I didn't like the look on my cheeks, I could always use the pretty pink and purple shades as eyeshadows. I know, a cop-out, but luckily I love it both ways and frequently add a little sparkle to my everyday makeup. But of course, if you want to make a dramatic statement with your Killawatt Freestyle highlighter, you've got to go with the 3D hypermetallic shades. You can use a fluffy brush to blend the color out a bit and leave behind a sparkling sheen, or you can embrace the powerful silver. Bring it up to your eyelids for an edgy, smoky eye look, or hollow out your cheekbones with this icy hue. 100% of purchase proceeds go to the Clara Lionel Foundation, a nonprofit organization founded by Rihanna to support emergency response efforts globally. Who doesn't love looking glam while giving back? Be sure to comment below to share your favorites from Rihanna's line, or make suggestions of what I should try next. And for more makeup videos like this, plus tons of interviews, runway recaps, product reviews, and more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow along at richardmagazine.com.